G'day, this is Jason here from Forex UTurn and Forex UTurn, and today is September 26, 2011. Okay, so we're looking at the Euro USD chart, 5-minute chart, and we're looking for trade setups here on the PipSnager. Sorry, I had lots of words there for a second. Not easy talking to yourself here. Okay, here we go. So right here, down here, the filter was red at 3 o'clock in the morning. Of course, it gave the perfect gap size, and sure enough, right into the trigger. Here she goes, here into the trigger, into the trigger. So many times this trigger line and trend line will cross and it won't line up, and it'll be an awesome, good trade, and up it goes, And then there's times it won't be. So this is why we have a filter. But anyway, there was no trade set up here. And by the time it turned blue, see, it was way up on this bar. So then she came back. So if you did buy here, well, you suffered. You definitely suffered. Okay, you suffered about 18 pips worth and about an hour's worth before she got the strength to climb up again. But if you did get in there and held it to the top, that's 82 pips. Not that you would have got 82 pips, but anyway, this is about the only place to look that you could have bought a dip, somewhere in here as well. Okay, so anyway, that was that. And in the U.S. session, they did their little zigzag. I know, I was trading this. Zigzag, zigzag. No setup, didn't line up here either. Then it came back up, never retraced into the darn trigger line here, just went up. But at this point in time, I guess it was the end of the trading day, so there was no trade. So this was your only trade setup, was up here and in here today on the Euro 5-minute. Okay, let's go to the 1-minute now. Let's move that line over to 9 o'clock. There she be. Let's go back in time and see. Si, senor. Handre, ipa, ipa, ipa. That's the little Spanish mouse on, what is that show? The cartoons there. Bugs Bunny and all those guys. Okay. I can do the Bugs Bunny too, you wascooey wabbit, you. And how about the Elmer Fudd guy? Oh, I'm going to get that wabbit. Okay, back to the trades here. You guys think I'm crazy? Woo! Okay, we got some water here. Get on with it, Jason. Quit talking about Bugs Bunny and all his little furry friends. Okay, so right here, ladies and gentlemen, we broke through support. Okay, we had the gap. You could have sold her right here. Oh, no, you couldn't have. No. There's always some damn support in the way, see? And then she just clipped down. I was up at that for that move, too. I saw it clip down, go zoom. Went down 30 pips or something in 2 minutes. And then they took it back up. And then they took it back down. Let's see here. There was no trade there. Sorry. What about here? Okay. Yes, we had a trade right here, ladies and gentlemen. No, again we didn't, because it bounced off support. There was no trade here. There was no trade here. Where's the damn trades? Come on, Snager. Put out here. Give us the trade. Okay, now I found the trade. We broke through resistance, okay? It was right here. You got in. It went against you. But then it went up, and I'm sure it would have gave you your 10 pips eventually. Woo! I was wondering, where's the trades, man? It's crazy, volatile market we're in. Okay, let's put that back on. We'll go to the pound now. Our friend the pound. We'll get the line. We'll bring it to 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, okay. Alrighty then. Okay, Mr. Jim Carrey. Yes, sir. Okay, so here was the trade at 4:30 in the morning on the pound. Broke up through resistance right here. Okay, as you can see, that was a sideways grind. broke through there. This is the part where everybody gets scared, when it breaks up through there and pulls back. Everybody's going, no, 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 they're just fakes. It's the fake. But, you know, and it went up like 40 pips or so right here really quickly. Came back down almost the whole 40 pips. But this is where you would have bought it. Sure enough, up it went sideways, up, higher, higher. So other than that, you could have bought a dip here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's now look at our wonderful Swiss franc. Hourly, 10 o'clock. Okay, it did not, ladies and gentlemen. It was a quick down, too far, too fast here. The gap was here, but the blue and the filter did not line up. But it did line up here, and once we broke through this support here, at this point in time, this was at like 10 o'clock in the U.S. session. You could have sold it here and got some pips. And down here, no, it didn't pull back either to give you that trade. What a crappy day here. Holy jeez Louise. Okay, so that's it for the Snagger setups, and let's now look at the Forex UTurn setups. Okay, we got the W here on the Euro. I also got the M here on the Asia session. They took it down quite far and quite fast, about 140 pips. And we got the W here, so you could have bought somewhere in here around 34.50, and you might have got 50 pips out of it or something. As you can see, they're taking it down again, up and down, just like a yo-yo. Okay, here's the pound now, and here's our M formation, and it did not go anywhere. But the filter told you don't sell, don't sell. And then it did not give a correct formation here to buy either, because as you can see, there's no W here, like right here, okay? It's just a flat line. So it means it came out of a sideways market. It could have kept going sideways. Nobody knows. So that's why you do not take the trade. But like I've told you guys a couple times, once you see the green line cross up over the blue line, and you got this separation here, okay, it is another warning that you could go long. Okay, but ideally you want, that's a super advanced method, I guess, that I don't really talk about. But if you really want the ideal setup, you need the M and the W formation to make it happen. Thanks for watching the video today. We'll see you tomorrow.